This is the 6th video in a series of videos where I go over the Desmos activity called Make Them Balance. And in this screen, you want to find the solution to a system of equations below. I talked briefly about system of equations in the previous video, so if you don't know what systems of equations are, you can go to the previous video to check that out. So we need to figure out which of these is a solution to the system of equations. So essentially what I need to do is plug in each of these paired points is an x comma y point. So I need to plug in, for example, 1, 9, I would plug in 1 in for x and 9 in for y and see if the equation is equal. So like for the first equation, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. For the first equation, 2 times 1 plus 2 times 9 is equal to 20. So I plug the values in for x and y in for x and y. I plug in the values 1, 9 in for x and y, and then I solve. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 9 is 18. And then 2 plus 18 is 20. 20 equals 20, so that's good. For the second one, 3 times 1 is equal to 2 times 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 9 is 18. So those are not equal. 3 does not equal 18. So this point, 1, 9, cannot be a solution to the system of equations. A solution will make both equations equal. When I plug in x and y into both equations, I will have a check mark here and a check mark here. That's how you know if it's a solution. So the first one doesn't work. Let's try the second one. The second one is 4, 6. So for the first equation, 2 times 4 plus 2 times 6 is equal to 20. And for the second one, I'm just going to write both out. 3 times 4 is equal to 2 times 6. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 12 is equal to 20. 20 plus 8, or 12 plus 8 is 20. So we get check there. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Check there. So this must be our solution. Okay, let's look at the graph and see if the graph agrees or if okay, the point 4, 6, it lies on both the red graph and the blue graph, so that's the solution to our system. That's the point that works. So great. That's the one that we need to select. And then explain our thinking. We can say the point 4, 6 makes both equations equal. When you plug in x, 6,